Hello guys, in this video, we're going to see how to record your screen on a Windows 10 PC without installing any software. Let's get started. Let us assume you want to record this screen. To do that, press Windows plus Alt plus R shortcut key. Now, the screen recording has started. During the recording, you can perform the tasks you want to capture. When you're done recording, use the Windows plus Alt plus R shortcut key to stop the recording. After stopping the recording, a notification will pop up like this. Now press the Windows key. Type this PC. Select the This PC icon. Select the Videos library in the navigation pane. Now open the Captures folder. Here you can access all your screen recorded videos. Double-click the video file to play it. You've successfully recorded your screen on Windows 10 PC without installing any third-party software. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.